2021. And look at the Underground War 3. Look how freaking this big hole is. Look at this. It's so huge, you guys. Look at this. Look at the Underground War 3. And this hole is so big, you guys. Look at this. Look at this. This hole is so big. This is so crazy. Alright. Okay, so alright, so look how big this is. Look at this. It doesn't even look like the other Underground Wars. But look at this the Underground War 3. Look how big this hole is. This is so insane, you guys. So yeah, this is so insane, you guys. And look at the big hole, you guys. This is so big. So you get like this, like you get a sniper. So this is your sniper. You get this, and you get the sword, that's pretty cool. Just like the other games. And I believe this is where you spawn at. I think you like spawn in like different areas or something. Yeah. So yeah. Look at the look at this. This is so big. It's taking up all the space. Look at it. All right. So if we go down here, if you like drop down here, look at this. This is a big war under here. Look at this. This is so crazy. And this is red team. And you want to make sure you don't go into their team. But if you do go into their team, look at this. They're just gonna kill you and everything. But yo, what was that? All right. Oh, they got the Roblox flag again. All right. I don't even know. So here's I can show you guys the teams. So here's green team. This is all the green teams ones. And here's red team, this is the red team ones. And here's yellow team, which is, I think I am on yellow team. I'm on yellow team. That's because you spawn in yellow team spawn. So yeah. So anyways, bro, what the heck is that? Yo, alright, so if we check out change team, select which team below you like to switch to. So you could just like say like, wait, what is this? Alright. So you could switch to yellow, which is, I wonder how much Robux that is. I don't know how much Robux it is, but if you switch to yellow, I don't know how much Robux it is, you guys. Anyways, oh, wait, hold on. It's only 25 Robux. Change team color. So that's pretty cool. Alright, so and then we got is so what's this? The sniper, and we got is swivel something, and it says spawn with the default thing, and you got the explosive sniper bullets, so you get that. I wonder how much Robux is if we like click on that. It's like 275 Robux, so the yeah, it's not that bad. And let's see, the rocket launcher. Oh, I always wanted this. Like I wanted the rocket launcher. That seems pretty cool. And if we go to buy, you can buy the rocket launcher, and the 2x sniper bullet. Oh, this is actually pretty good. And then we have the swivel position, and you get that. And then you got the first aid kit, which is I think you like spawn with a starter first aid kit. So that's pretty cool in the shop. And then you can hide it, like you can hide it. You click on this, you don't have to hide it. But look at this big hole. Look at this. This is so freaking sick. All right, look at this, you guys. This is so big, you guys. So I think this is yellow team actually. Yeah, who's in our team? Who's in our team? Wait, who is in our team? Oh yeah, we need a no! Stop! Alright. So I don't even know who's, but look at this big hole, you guys. This is so insane. Look at this. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh. Alright. Anyways. Oh. Alright. And look at the blue team, you guys. This one is so insane too. And then you get like this little I kind of shoot. Oh my gosh. Alright. So there's the blue team flag, which is you could get their flag. I'm gonna try to get their flag. I don't even know if I can. Alright. But anyways, come back for part 2 and part 3 the next day to see what this actually is. So come for part 2 and part 3 the next day to see what this actually is, the Underground War 3. So come back for part 2 and part 3 the next day of the Underground War 3. Goodbye.